Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU312L. This is your trailer shackle strap that's 3.12 inches long. Let's check it out. Alright, this is part number TPU312L. This is your trailer shackle strap, and we'll measure it out real quick and then go into some details on what it's for. So from center to center of hole, it's going to be 3.12, as you can see. The overall is going to be 4.4 inches, and the width of it is 0.21. It has 9/16 holes right here, so you use a 9/16 bolt with these. Part number TPU916-3. So what these are for, these are used with double eye springs on smaller trailers typically, and I'll show you a couple instances for them. So say you have a single axle trailer, and this is your rear hanger. So this is the rear part of your trailer. These would hook onto it and secure the springs to it. So on the rear hanger, it's skinnier than the front hangers, and that's because you put on the shackle straps on the rear. Put them on, it takes two of them, and then you use a 9/16 bolt, 3 inches long. And you're going to hook it on like that, and then they're going to be sitting like so. And then, once you have them on there, you're going to get your leaf spring, and it's going to hook through your leaf spring just like so. And then you use another 9/16 bolt, and that's what it would look like on a single setup, a single axle setup. So that's what that's for on a single, and or for a tandem, you would use these shackle straps with an equalizer like so. You could have this equalizer or a similar one, but you would have two of these shackle straps on each side of the equalizer, and then it would sit like so. If you have a tandem setup, then the shackle straps would go on the equalizer itself. And this is how it would look on a tandem setup. Whenever you're installing these, make sure that these shackle straps are facing up. Don't have them facing down like this. That's wrong. You always want them to be sitting up like so whenever you install them. If you don't do that, you're going to have some major issues. I see so many customers come in here and they're like, oh, my suspension, my trailer's all messed up, and it's simply because they installed the axles wrong. They didn't have these shackle straps facing up whenever they installed the axles. So you need to make sure that those are always facing up. And then your spring would just attach on like this. So you'd have your equalizer, your shackle straps facing up, and then you'd have your spring coming off of it like so. And then your axle would sit right here, and your U-bolt kit would secure the axle onto the leaf spring. So if you need any of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe and share it. It sure does make me feel good. Thank you.